Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all the accessories for Crysta. We have installed 3 or 4 accessories in this car, so I'm going to show you all. Number 1 is the side beddings. Comes in a set of 4 pieces and it looks really awesome on the car. The next product is the lower window garnish. It comes in a set of 8 pieces. Part number 1, part number 2, part number 3 and part number 4. 4 parts on this side, 4 parts on the other side, and it looks almost like the original, and the top model have this accessory. Now the next product which we have installed is the number plate. We call it as number plate garnish. You can say the tail light garnish also. We call it a number plate garnish. This we have done the chrome. This also looks very nice. The next product is trunk steamer. So we have installed this trunk steamer. This also gives a very nice look, and it's also recommended by showrooms.